Hi guys, welcome on IT Tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I'm gonna to do another tutorial regard to pointers. This time I'm gonna to do an application which will demonstrate how a pointer is able to point to different variables, and therefore the pointer is able to manipulate the values of different variables. So let's start the application by declaring three integer variables: a assigned by value 10, b assigned by value 20, and c assigned by value 30, semicolon. On the other line, I'm going to declare a integer pointer in direction operator. I'm going to name this pointer p and semicolon. Okay, and here I wanted to display in a console the values of these three variables a, b, c using this cout object. Yeah, so a, b, and c. And here std and line. Here you go. So let's run this application to see in the console the value of these three variables a, b, and c. Here you go. As you can see, we received in the console the values of these three variables a, b, c, namely 10, 20, and 30. So these are the values of these three variables at this moment. I think it's a good idea to write a text here before values of these three variables. Yeah, so I'm going to write another cout object to write a text before the values of these three variables in console, like let's say values of a, b, and c. Yeah. Semicolon. Here we go. Let's go further, and here on this on the next lines I'm going to assign the pointer p with the address of these three variables, namely a, b, c. So here on this line I'm going to assign this pointer with the address of the a variables using this address of operator and the name for a variables. Yeah, semicolon. On the other line I'm going to write this p pointer and plus operator equal operator and 10. So in this way, actually, we will add 10 to the value of this variable a. So after line 15, this variable, the value will become 20. Yeah, because here on this line 15, actually now this pointer p store the address of a variable on this line 14. Yeah, using this address of operator and the name of a variable, and because that we are able to manipulate the value of a variable, because these two, the pointer and a variable, are connected now, and using this increment operator plus and equal, we'll add 10 to the value of a variable. The same thing we can do with the rest of variables with b and c. Yeah, I'm going to remove a and I'm going to replace that with b variables. That means in this way, on this line 18, this will add two value of b variables 10, and b variables will become 30 after this line 18. Yeah, I'm going to paste it again, these two, and here I'm going to replace a with c variables, and again using this pointer and these two operator plus and equal, we'll add 10 to the value of c variable, and c variable will become 40 after line 21. So again I'm going to copy these two lines and paste it here. Yeah, and here I'm going to write values of a, b, and c after using a pointer. Yeah, here you go. Let's run now this application. Yeah, here you go. Let's make this smaller a bit. Yeah, so here are the values of a, b, c variables when they were assigned, namely 10, 20, 30. They are actually these values used to assign these three variables a, b, c, as you can see. And after using this p pointer on these lines, yeah, in this way, by using the address of operator and the name of variable to make the pointer to store the address of variable, or to make a pointer point to variables, and we added to these three variables a, b, c this value 10. And now after the line 21, the value of these variables a, b, and c was changed: a from 10 to 20, b from 20 to 30, and c from 30 to 40. Now you have seen that a pointer can point to different variables, and therefore a pointer can manipulate the value of different variables, because as long as you assigned the pointer with the address of different variables, the pointer is linked, is connected to those variables, and the pointer is able to manipulate those variables, as you have seen in this example. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorial. See you next time.